Hello friends, today in this tutorial I will be showing you that how to make a very simple MCQ quiz kind of a game in Python using the framework called as Twikinter. So you are seeing this blog post on my website. I have written a very detailed blog post in which I have written all the source code of this application. A single file will be there, app.py. The link will be there inside the video description. If you go to the video description, you can just find out the blog post link, and let me just show you how to do this. So simply what you need to do is that you need to be having a simple editor inside your computer. Let me go to my desktop directory and projects directory and make a directory of quiz cd into this directory. And if I open Visual Studio Code text editor, so this is the editor here, and if you go to the video description link, I have given this blog post link here. So here we are building MCQ quiz game in which you just need to guess the country flag. So it will be very awesome application. So all the source code will be given here. So simply what you need to do is that copy all this source code like this that I'm doing here. So simply you need to copy all this source code by selecting all this source code. A single file is there. So let me just select all the source code, and then I will show you how this app is looking like. So we are using the library Turtle in order to build this graphics. So you will see this is a screenshot of a game. Simply the flag will be shown to you and you just need to type the country which is shown to you. So simply I will just make a app.py file, which is Python file, and simply paste it, the code here. So this is a very lengthy code here. You can see 3379 lines of code is there. So we are using Turtle library. So you should be having Python installed on your computer, and make sure that you install the library Turtle. So pip install and Turtle. This is the library that you need to install it. I have already done that, and then you just need to simply python app.py. You can see the game is launched here, and a nice animation is there, flag game this is. And if you click start here, so you will see the menu will be shown to you. So you can select any of the quiz that you want to play. Let's suppose I select the quiz 3. So there will be a countdown 3 2 1, and after that a flag will be shown to you. So you just need to guess the flag name. Simply you need to type the name here of the country that you are seeing here. I know this country, which is England, so I can just write here England and click. You can see it is correct here. So you are given 3 lives, and you are given 1 point each for correct answer, and you have simply like this. Next, you can see again a flag is shown to you, which is Romania. This time I know this flag, Romania. So if I click me correct, again you can see this is Italy flag. I know this country, so Italy, click me correct, you can see. And this flag I don't know. And if I fill out a wrong entry, let's suppose I fill out India, so you will see false, lives are remaining 2. And once again I know this country, which is Finland, click me correct country. And then we have this flag, I know this country, which is Sweden. So you can play this, I am just playing live here, you can see correct answer. So I also know this, which is Netherlands. So Netherlands, click me, you can see correct. And then this is Japan, click me correct. And then I think this is Ireland, click me correct. And then I don't know this country, so I can just fill out Pakistan. So this will be false here, false. And then this is, I know this country, which is Poland, click me correct. And then again I don't know this country, so I can click on the help option as well. So if I click help, so you are given help on this turn. So your answer is correct, so you're given as simply a life here. So in this way you can play this. You can see you have run out of health, so only one help is given to you at one point of time. So if I write here Poland, false here, so my answer is false. So lives are 0, so points is 7, helps is 0, coins is 135, and it is saying to us you lost. So all the lives are gone here. Do you want to try it again? I will click no. That's it. The game ends. So this is a very simple MCQ guess the country flag game, which is built in Python using Tkinter framework for graphical user interface. Whatever interface that you are seeing here, we are generating through Tkinter library, and for the graphics we are using the library Turtle. So these graphics which are made here, all these graphics are made through Turtle library. So if you just search on Google all these, first you search Tkinter. This is a graphical user interface library which is used for making interfaces widgets on the screen. And then we have the Turtle library, which is a graphics library. So if you search on Google Turtle and also write Python, so you can see Python Turtle module is extension re-implementation of the same module from the Python standard distribution. So it's a graphics library. So all the source code, guys, is given in the video description. You can check out it. It is given in the video description. Download all the source code and you can play this quiz game, guess the flag. So I will be seeing you in the next video. Until then, thank you very much.